Good afternoon, students. Welcome back. We are in Module 5, Lesson 17. You should have your module book out and ready to go. Today's learning target says, I can draw parallelograms. We're going to spend only a little bit of our time together here drawing parallelograms. We're going to spend most of our time reviewing vocabulary for geometry. That way you'll be set up nicely when you do go through Lesson 17 and are asked to draw parallelograms. There are a few terms that I think you ought to know. Some of them have to do with angles that you can actually show with your body. That's why you see 4 images of me right there making different angles. I have a picture of the angles up here that are labeled. An acute angle is a tiny little cute angle, and you need to say it like that so that you remember it too. A cute little angle is an angle that is less than 90 degrees. A right angle is a 90-degree angle, and you can make that with your body too. That's 2 straight lines that are perpendicular to one another. Okay, that means they touch, they intersect here. All of our angles are made off of benchmark angles, which is 90 degrees, that right angle. So you make your right angle, and then in order to make a smaller angle, a little acute angle, you just start to close it. Okay, go ahead and make that angle with me right now. It can be this tight, it can be so small, or it can go all the way up to almost 90 degrees. And then back to 90. And then acute, and then back to 90. Now, if you want to make a big, fat, obtuse angle, you need to make it wider. You need to say it like that too, so you remember it. It's a wide angle. What do you suppose the name of this angle is? Yeah, go ahead and use this chart up here for reference to help you. We just named this one, and now we're naming this one. That's right, it's a straight angle. This angle measures 180 degrees. And that makes sense, right? If this is 90, well, this is half of this angle. So 90 plus another 90 equals 180. So this is a straight line angle. It's 180 degrees. 90, 180. 90, 180. 90, acute, obtuse. And those are the names of the angles. Now, some other terms you're going to want to know is intersecting. Lines that intersect cross right through each other. So the next time you're at an intersection, stopped at a red light, you can say, these are intersecting lines. What about parallel lines? We talked about this in the last lesson. Parallel lines are lines that are equal distance from each other and they never intersect. I like to think of train tracks. Train tracks never intersect because if they did, then the train would jump off of the tracks.
And you'll get hurt.
Thanks, Emma.
You're welcome.
Now, a 180-degree angle is a straight angle. We just discussed that. So, when you hear the word parallelogram, what word is inside of that word that you already know? That's right, parallel. We just talked about that. So when you draw a parallelogram, it must be a 4-sided figure. Do you remember what category that fits into? What are 4-sided figures called? Yes, quadrilaterals. Nice job. Quad means 4. So you're drawing quadrilaterals today, parallelograms that are 4-sided figures with opposite sides that are parallel. So when you draw it, make sure you have not just one set of parallel lines here and here, but also here and here. And follow the directions. If they ask for a 90-degree angle, provide that. If they ask for acute angles, provide that in your drawing. Good luck.